Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from your exchange in 2025. If you're holding Tether and want to move it to your personal wallet for better security or easier access, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check with your specific exchange since things can change with updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your exchange account. I recommend using a secure device and enabling two-factor authentication for extra safety. It's 2025, after all, and crypto security is more important than ever. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. This is where you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Next, select USDT from your list of holdings. You'll probably see options for different networks, like Tron, Ethereum, or Solana. Choose the one that matches your wallet setup to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, click on the Withdraw button. This will open a form where you need to enter your wallet address. Double-check this address. Copy and paste it directly from your wallet app to prevent any typos that could send your funds into the void. After that, you'll have to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary, so make sure you're not withdrawing a tiny amount that gets eaten up by costs. Review everything on the confirmation page, including the destination address and total fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Depending on the network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more. Once it's done, check your external wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test withdrawal if you're new to this. That way, you minimize risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you in the next video.